Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my online school, AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host, and today I want to show you how to make passion fruit candy. It's so amazing. You can call this also marmelad in Russian, and this is the chewy type of marmalade, so the one that tastes like a toffee, but it's obviously made with passion fruit, so the flavor is amazing. And if you like the chewy kind of consistency and a lot of passion fruit flavor, this recipe is definitely for you. It's super easy to make, you just have to follow some guidelines and you will love it, I promise you. If you want to get access to this recipe, including 500 other amazing recipes, you can join my online cooking school at AllasYummyFood.com/recipes and join thousands of other students just like you. And we have our amazing cooking and baking community. You have my support, you have no ads in my membership, and it's just super easy to search for any recipe, so you don't have to break your head anymore. You also save time and money because all the recipes are 100% tested, so you'll never fail and waste any of that. I really hope you join our online cooking school, and you can find more details down below in my description box, or you can check it out on my website. Now let's get cooking.